Hello everyone. So after the completion of the process of multiplier, dynamic process and forward and backward multiplier, now let's discuss few limitations of multiplier. So first one is the availability of consumer goods. As we know that the working of a multiplier, it largely depends upon the consumption, because the consumption of one person become the income of the another person. So availability of consumer goods stands that the people will do the consumption only if the consumer goods are available in the economy. If there is a deficiency of the goods in the economy or shortage of goods in the economy, then the people will not be able to consume, and hence the multiplier will not work. Second is less than full employment. So Keynes has suggested that less than full employment is the normal feature of the economy. So multiplier will work only if there is less than full employment, because only in that situation there is a need of investment in the economy. If already there is full employment, then there is no need to make the investment to raise the level of employment. So the multiplier will work only if there is less than full employment. So this is the limitation of multiplier, that it will work only if the people are not having the jobs in their hand, right? So third is the multiplier period. Multiplier period refers to the time period in which the investment is being converted into the income. So Keynes said that there is always a time gap, right? That when the consumption will takes place and when it will again converted into income, right? So larger the time gap, more will be the time taken for the process of the multiplier, or the process will be slow. So time period जो है जितना वो कम होगा उतना multiplier जो है वो effectively काम करेगा. So this is the limitation of the multiplier, that larger the period of the multiplier, more will be the time taken for the process or the chain of the multiplier. Then fourth is steady flow of investment. The working of the multiplier will be effective only if regular doses of investments are being given in the economy. If the investment is given at irregular interval, then there is a breakage in the process of multiplier, so it will not work, right? Then is autonomous investment. We know that the investment which is made by the government, it is for the social welfare. So autonomous investment work for the positivity of the multiplier. So it largely depends upon autonomous investment, whereas the induced investment, it is done for the motive of profit, so it will hinder the process of multiplier. So we can say that this is the limitation of multiplier, that only if the autonomous investment is made in the economy, that too by the government for the social welfare, that only the multiplier process will work. Then sixth point is a closed economy. Now closed economy, another assumption of multiplier is that it will work only if the economy is closed. That means there is no import and export in the economy. But it is not possible in the real world. We have to depend upon the another economies, because every country is not self-sufficient, so that they need not to depend upon any other country. So whenever import and export will takes place, definitely it will create the problem for the investment in the country, and definitely the income will also be impacted with the same. Then is constant MPC. So another limitation of multiplier is that because it largely depends upon the marginal propensity to consume, so the dose of consumption must be constant, right? तो जितना MPC जो है कंजम्पशन का जो प्रोसेस है वो स्लो होगा, उतना ही मल्टीप्लायर जो है दैट विल ऑल्सो बी स्लो. सो देयर शुड बी कॉन्स्टेंट MPC, बट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज marginal propensity to consume, or the psychological law of consumption, say that it is a tendency of the people to consume. You cannot bind the thinking of the people that how they will consume, right? If I am having income in my hand, it is my choice that whether I am consuming 80% of my income, or I am utilizing 30% of my income. So larger the saving, lesser will be the process of multiplier. So you cannot say that every time the MPC will be 0.5, that everybody is consuming half of their income and half they are saving. Then is industrialized economy. The multiplier will work effectively in case of industrialized economies rather than in the case of agriculture economies, because the income elasticity of demand is very high for the industrial products, whereas the agriculture is dependent upon the nature. So the process of multiplier is a bit slow, because there is no need of much investment in the agriculture economies, whereas we need to invest more in the case of industrialized economies. So this is the another limitation of multiplier, that it will work effectively or more where the industries, where the economies are based more upon the industries rather than on the agriculture. Then ninth point is surplus capacity in consumer goods industry. Now this point says that whenever the investment increases, we say that there is increase in the income, and whenever income increases, it leads to increase in the consumption. Now consumption will increase only if the firms are having the surplus capacity to produce the increased demand of the people, right? So if there is no capacity for the production, then the increased demand of the people, that cannot be met by the same goods, right? So this is the another limitation, that there must be the requirement of the surplus capacity whenever there is increase in the consumption from the consumer side. Then is 10th point is no change in price. So this says that change in price. Now this says that if the prices remains constant, only then the multiplier will work effectively, because if the prices will increase, then consumption will fall down, and due to fall in MPC, the multiplier will not work. So basically we can say that multiplier totally depend upon marginal propensity to consume. So higher the propensity to consume, higher the consumption, higher the expenditure of one person, higher will be the income of the another person, and so on the process will continue, right?